Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you might have read the title, in this video we are going to discuss the most in-demand jobs in Canada for the year 2023. I have been making these videos since last 2 years. So I made a high demand job video for 2021, then I made the video for 2022, and both these videos were loved by a lot of you. So I had to come up with this video for the year 2023 as well. So without wasting any more time, my name is Nishant. I'm a recruiter and a certified career coach by profession and a YouTuber by passion. And now let's get started. First, let's discuss some market trends that we have seen and will be seeing in the year going forward. So according to the surveys that were conducted by a lot of organizations, more than 45% people voted that they will be looking for a new job in the year 2023, and that's a huge number. So if you are also a part of that percentage looking for a change, or you may be applying for your first job in Canada in this year, then this video is going to be very crucial for you. But this 45% number seems a little scary, as it means that you will be competing with a lot more people for a single job in the year 2023. Which means that this year you'll have to buckle up, you'll have to focus on upskilling yourself, and you'll have to be very effective and strategic in your job search. But on the positive side, after some difficult times during the pandemic, employment has actually increased in the year 2022, and the same is expected for the year 2023 as well, which is a great news. And as per my experience as a recruiter, what I've noticed is that more and more jobs that were previously remote because of pandemic, they are now becoming hybrid or completely on-site. And ironically, because of pandemic, a lot of people have become very comfortable in their remote jobs, and that is why more and more people are demanding remote jobs now. So definitely there is a disconnect here, and the companies and the candidates would have to come together to a middle ground if they want to be successful in their candidate search or their job search respectively. And just like 2021 and 2022, most of the in-demand jobs will be from the service sector, healthcare and technology sector. Obviously, I really wish I would have chosen IT as my career path, but anyways, we are not here to talk about the regrets of my life. Just kidding, I'm really happy with what I do as a recruiter, helping people find their jobs. And having said that, apart from being a recruiter, I'm also a certified career coach, and I've helped a lot of people last year in their job search. So you can find all the recommendations on my LinkedIn profile. So if you also need any support in your job search, for example, resume review or LinkedIn optimization, you can also book a session with me. The links are in the description box. And now finally, let's talk about all the jobs which will be in demand in the year 2023 as per Randstad and various other sources in no particular order. With no surprises at all, one of the most in-demand jobs is software developer. I'm telling you, if you are a student and still figuring out what you want to do with your career, then I would say just become a software developer. It's that high in demand. And for those who don't know, software developers are basically IT professionals who are involved in development of applications. So you can be either a front-end developer, you could be a back-end developer, you could be a full-stack developer, etc. Salaries may range between $70,000 to $150,000 per year. And if you know, Canada has a program called Global Talent Stream, popularly known as GTS, under which it provides work permit within 2 weeks timeline. And developers are among the highest percentage of professionals who are able to get those work permits within that 2 weeks timeline under the GTS program. So yes, if you are a developer, then you have a solid potential of getting Canada PR as well. And if you want to learn more about this program called GTS, then we already have a video about it on our channel. You can find the link in the description box. I don't think I need to explain what HR managers are, as most of us already know, but HR is not just about planning events or fun Fridays. In fact, it includes a lot of different functions such as recruitment, people management, talent development, learning and development, compensation and benefits, and obviously making rangoli. And as I said, that employment is increasing, so which means that more people will be joining workforce, and which means that the companies would be needing more people managers. Hence, HR manager is unlikely to experience any downturn and would stay in demand in the year 2023 as well. And the salaries may range between $70,000 to around $100,000 or $110,000 per year. There is a talent shortage for mechanical engineers, hence there would be an increasing demand for them in various industries such as aerospace, automotive, manufacturing, biomedical and renewable energy sector. So in particular, if you have any experience, skill or exposure in the renewable energy sector, then you may have an added advantage because that sector in particular is growing a lot. But there is a con of this job, and that is that the increasing automations may hamper your career progression in the future. So you have to be a little mindful of that, and you have to keep upskilling yourself. The salaries may range between $55,000 per year for an entry-level role to around $120,000 per year for the experienced professionals. When I say accounting technicians, I'm including the professionals from CPA to bookkeeper. All these professionals will be in demand in the year 2023 as they perform a crucial role of maintaining the financial records and overseeing the budgets, revenues, and expenses. And a great thing is that the accounting professionals can even work as a freelancer or an independent contractor. A lot of small size organizations hire independent accountants, and not just the organizations, even individuals like us, we hire tax experts and accountants every year to file our taxes. So definitely there is a good demand, but to stand out from others, CPA designation would be a must. Salaries may range between $40,000 to $70,000 for a bookkeeper and from $60,000 to over $100,000 for an accountant. As we all know, health is wealth and health sector is very vital. But unfortunately, though the healthcare is free in Canada, but due to huge shortage of healthcare professionals, the waiting lines are too long. You may be able to get an appointment with a specialist probably after a couple of months, and hence there is no surprise that the registered nurses and licensed practical nurses have been one of the most in-demand jobs since the last couple of years. Salaries may range between $70,000 to around $90,000 per year. Business analysts have always been in demand. You will find jobs in startups or big organizations across many industries. As you know that everything is digital and driven by data now, and business analysts are actually the people who help the organization to identify or probably provide a definition to that data in order to support in making better business decisions. And salaries for business analysts may range between $75,000 to $95,000 per year. Because of increase in demand for quick online deliveries, a lot of companies are maximizing their production, not just in terms of quantity but also in terms of quality. And to achieve that, the companies need production supervisors because they are the ones who manage the machinery, the people and the process on the production floor. Hence, there is an increasing demand not just for the production supervisors but also for other professionals working in the supply chain and logistics. The salaries for production supervisors may range between $45,000 to $70,000 per year. As the economy is improving, a lot of businesses are looking to develop multiple revenue streams, for which obviously they will need to do marketing, and hence there is a high demand for marketing coordinators as they help in supporting and coordinating a lot of tasks related to marketing campaigns. And as you know, a lot of marketing these days happens digitally. Hence, if you have digital marketing and social media skills, then it can give you an added advantage. And also, marketing coordinator is not just one job position. I think a lot of different roles can be categorized as marketing coordinators. So for example, you could be a brand ambassador, you could be a community engagement associate, you could be a market analyst, you could be a content writer, etc. And the salaries for marketing coordinators may range between $40,000 to around $65,000 per year. Pandemic affected a lot of people financially, and now everyone wants to make right decisions when it comes to their money and get themselves secured from any such unforeseen event. Hence, there is a high demand for financial advisors and financial planners, and the salaries may range between $60,000 to over $100,000 depending on the level of experience. And having said that, for those who don't know, I specifically recruit for banking roles in Canada. So if you are already in Canada with a valid work status, looking to pursue a banking career, then you can definitely send me your resumes to my official email ID, which you can find in the description box as well. And also I have created a video about all the banking jobs that an immigrant can also apply to. So do watch that video. Again, the link is in the description box and somewhere on the screen as well. Do you know one of the primary reasons for the increasing real estate prices is the disparity between the supply and demand for new homes? Supply is less, demand is high. But now Canada is working really hard to fill that gap and is experiencing construction boom across the country. And hence, companies need project managers in the construction industry. Though the project managers in IT have always been in demand and will continue to be so, but now there is an increasing demand in the construction industry as well. So a construction project manager generally leads the project, develops the timeline, manages the resources and finances, while also ensuring that the health and safety norms are being followed. So definitely it's a tiring job, and hence you can expect to earn somewhere between $70,000 to over $150,000 per year, depending on your seniority level. Other than these 10 jobs that we discussed, some other jobs that will also experience a good demand are sales associates, where you can earn somewhere between $40,000 to $45,000 per year as the base pay. But a lot of sales jobs actually provide a very good commission and bonus package, which can actually increase your earning potential up to $80,000 or even more. Then we have drivers. As we discussed a while ago, that a lot of people working in supply chain and logistics will experience a high demand, and drivers are the backbone of supply chain because they are the ones who are transporting all the goods and materials. Drivers are paid on an hourly basis, so you can expect to earn between $18 to $35 per hour. Administrative assistants will also experience a high demand in the year 2023, just like in 2022. The salaries may range between $35,000 to $45,000 per year, but if you are bilingual, as in French and English, then you can definitely earn more than that. And also with experience, if you become an executive assistant to a director or to any leadership professional, then you may be able to earn up to $75,000 or $85,000 as well. And for students, you may be able to find a lot more opportunities for warehouse associates in the year 2023, again because of being a part of supply chain and logistics. Salaries may range between $17 to $19 per hour for a warehouse associate, but moving up the ladder in the warehouse itself may help you earn up to $25 or $28 per hour as well. And last but not the least, the customer service representatives. Increase in online shopping comes with its own challenges, especially when you have to probably cancel your subscription plan, return a product, exchange a product, ask for a refund and whatnot. And that is where these customer service representatives comes in. The salaries you can expect between $35,000 to $45,000 per year. And you can actually find these CSR jobs not only in the retail industry, but also in the banking industry. So these were some high demand jobs in Canada for the year 2023, but that doesn't mean that there is zero demand for any other role that we have not discussed in this video. These are the jobs which are expected to experience the highest growth rate in terms of demand. But other than that, there are actually many other jobs which will have a good demand and a good scope as well. So to learn more about that, I would strongly recommend you to explore jobbank.gc.ca, which is Canada government's official job portal, and is actually an amazing tool which a lot of people either don't know about or they don't make full use of it. In that website, you can actually find what is the scope of your field, what are the average salaries, what are the skills that you would need for a particular role, what are the courses or the certifications that you would need for a particular role, and much more. And I've covered all of that in one of my YouTube videos, so do give it a watch. The link is in the description box and somewhere on the screen as well. That's all for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more such content. I'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.